How to change your Facebook display name to a single name or word.
Since we're not in Indonesia, we need to use a VPN that allows us to use an Indonesian IP address.
But first up, let us try changing or updating our name by removing the last name without using VPN. As you can see, Facebook won't allow us to process without providing our last name. Now, let's go to Play Store, download Touch VPN. You can also try to download it at your browser so you can access it for free. Link will be on the description. Open the app, and you can skip reading the terms and condition part if you're in a hurry, although it is not advisable. Then click OK button. Go to the best choice option, select Indonesia, then click Connect, and wait till it's successfully connected. Now, let's go to Facebook. Reminder, remove Facebook from history for recent used app and open it again. Go to Facebook settings. Click on Personal Information. Now at the General Info, click Name. You can remove the last name or update the first name of your Facebook account. Click the Review Change button. For security purposes, it requires to type in your password. Click the Save Changes button. Finally, go back to your profile and refresh. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, and always have an amazing day.